If you thought making music required mastering instruments and spending years honing your skills, you need to see what this technology is bringing to the table. I have so much to share about how it's completely transforming the way music is created. I'm going to start by introducing how this AI tool works. It's truly amazing, like having an entire music studio at your fingertips, but without all the complex equipment and technical expertise. This AI analyzes thousands of songs, learning about melodies, harmonies, and rhythms. Then it takes that knowledge and uses it to create brand new tracks. It's almost like it has a musical brain of its own. These AI music tools are popping up everywhere, and Suno is right up there with the best of them. You've got Aiva for those epic movie soundtracks, Boomi for quick and easy song generation, and SoundDraw if you want to get a bit more hands-on with your AI tunes. Then there's Amper Music, which is great for whipping up some background tracks. But Suno is on another level. It uses some seriously advanced deep learning to create music that sounds so real, you'd swear a human made it, and the best part? It can do it in pretty much any genre you can think of. Now, let me walk you through how to use Suno. It's so simple, you'll be making tracks in no time. First, you head over to the Suno platform and log in. Then, you pick what kind of music you want to make. Maybe you're feeling a chill lo-fi beat with some soft piano. You just tell Suno that, and boom. It starts working its magic. In just a few minutes, you've got a track, whatever you want. It's like having a super smart musical partner who's always ready to collaborate. So, is the music Suno makes any good? Well, I've got to say, I was skeptical at first, but man was I blown away. If you're a content creator needing some quick background music, or a game developer looking for a soundtrack, Suno's got you covered. And for all you musicians out there, don't worry, Suno's not here to replace you. Think of it more like a really advanced tool in your creative toolkit. You can use what Suno creates as a starting point, then add your own human touch to make something truly unique. Long story short, Suno and other AI music tools are changing the way we think about creating music. It's not just for the pros anymore, anyone with an idea can bring it to life. I was not expecting such amazing results from an AI, so I'm really excited to see where this technology goes. Will we be listening to AI-generated hit songs on the radio soon? Who knows? I think the future of music creation with AI is looking bright. As technology keeps advancing, tools like Suno are only going to get better and more creative. But at the end of the day, there's still something special about music made by humans. The emotion, the personal touch that's hard for an AI to replicate. So while Suno is an incredible tool, it's not going to replace human musicians anytime soon. Instead, it's opening up new possibilities for creativity and collaboration between humans and AI. You know, I wasn't sure about AI-generated music at first, but after playing around with Suno, I totally get it now. It's not about replacing human creativity, it's about enhancing it, giving us new ways to express ourselves musically. Whether you're a pro musician or someone who's never played a note in your life, tools like Suno are making music creation more accessible than ever. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into Suno and AI music creation. What do you think? Is AI generated music the future, or will human musicians always have the edge? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you like this video and want to see more about cool tech and creativity, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.